Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. Still in a very strange and choppy structure that I don't really trust, but I did add here the support area for the end of this move, ideally, yeah, but I don't trust it. Okay, so but that's why it's orange. Orange means it's higher risk. Let's talk about the options. It is higher risk not because the potential would be low, but because I'm not entirely clear about the lower level wave structure here, because there are so many possibilities, okay? And it's a very choppy move that started, or basically that started here end of September. So the idea is that we moved, first scenario is that we moved in a wave 1 of the June lows into August. In a wave 1, we came down in a wave 2. Yeah? This would be the next wave 1. The entire move of these September lows could be considered a wave 1. Very choppy though. Yeah, I can consider it a wave 1 if I'm looking at it as an ABC structure as part of a leading diagonal. That's a very strange choppy structure and concept, but it's valid. In this particular scenario, we're now coming down in a wave 2, either as an A wave of a wave 2 or as a wave 2. So we've already come down to basically the limit that I want to see for an A wave. We come actually below the 50% fib level. So I would rather say we might be doing the wave 2 in one go. For that purpose, this support area should be relevant. And if we drop below 87 cents, this scenario will get very unlikely. Okay, what is the next scenario? Next scenario is similar, but different. That we moved up since June in a wave 1. That's fine. But the move down was not a wave 2, as highlighted in yellow, but only an A wave. Then we had our ABC in a B wave, an overshooting B wave, and we could now be coming down in a C wave. What would that mean? That would mean that all of this is a wave 2. Yeah, that the wave 2 doesn't sit here in yellow, but it would sit here. It doesn't make a great difference to the support area though. However, it adds quite a bit of reliability issues to this chart. Why is that the case? It's the case because if you have such an overshooting B wave, I mean, look at this, we came down in an A wave. All of this was a B wave. This is massively overshooting, which means the C wave could be very short. And then we've got this support area, which is relevant, okay? So in this scenario, we can measure the wave A length. We go to the high of the B wave, and we're looking for the 1.618 extension as a key target. We take a look here and see this would be around 98 cents, 99 cents. So it's very close to the 61.8 retracement in my support area, which is at $1.02. We've got a bit of confluence there around the $1 level. In very rare circumstances, you can get an expanded flat, which expands to the 2.618 extension. That could come to 62 cents. Yeah, and that's why this area is an orange. Because at the moment, I don't know what is going to happen here, which one it is, okay? So this, let me think, is there another scenario? Well, there's always a bearish case as well, but this is unlikely here. There is nothing bearish about this chart until we drop below, I think it was 60 cents. So I'm not gonna look at this really, but always need to keep it in mind, yeah. But the point I try to make here is that I think we have good opportunities out of this support area for a possible long position that could take MATIC, not Mana, that could take MATIC here above $2. Yeah, I mean, if it works out, we can just sort of, again, due to the different scenarios, there are different ways of calculating the third wave target, but let's just take one. Could take us to 230, that third wave, yeah? So you've got a decent reward to risk ratio. It's just not the best probability in terms of working out. I mean, MATIC has been a bit difficult. It has been very choppy. I think there is long potential. It's still one of the best long-term charts. Yep, consider that. But maybe be a bit careful with highly aggressive trades because there's a bit of uncertainty how this could work out. So again, maybe scaling into support, yeah. Considering the entire area as support, maybe all the way down to that 62 cent level that I highlighted, the 2.618 extension of the C wave. and then you just start to scale in, and you are happy if prices go up. If they go down, you just scale in a bit more. Make sure you understand what is the entire sum that you want to put into this, because I would consider the entire move as one trade. Yeah, if you scale into the entire support area, which again could go down to the 2.618 extension. Just to explain that again, the C wave can be, in exceptional circumstances, can go down to the 2.618 extension, so 60 cents. So, but below that, I think we're looking at bearish. But yeah, the thing is, with this overshooting B wave and the move up, which isn't really impulsive, it's all become a bit unreliable. It is what it is, but nevertheless, there is a chance from here to move up. Yeah, and again, then we talk about, okay, is it going to be the third wave directly, which I think it should be, or is it just a B wave and will come down once more and see? We can't rule that out, so I want to leave it on the chart. That this is, because this is still a possibility for just being an A wave, because it's not really substantially broken below the 50% retracement. But either way, I would expect here from this area, in the most likely case, upside. Only if it breaks below 87.7, it could reach that 60-cent level, which is the 2.618 extension. So it's not the most reliable charts. I think we've got better setups, but still decent upside potential from here definitely exists. Okay, that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.